Hi class, so now I am going to be making banana sushi, and we've tried it before and it's really good, and we did it for my brother's preschool, so now we're going to try it with different ingredients. For this one, you will need mini marshmallows, chopsticks or a fork, a knife. We're using coconut for our topping, and we have it in a bowl with a little spoon, a banana, and some peanut butter. And you can use yogurt or something that's liquidy but not liquid on to spread on your sushi, and then something to sprinkle on it. And then you need just bigger things than the sprinkling stuff to just put on there. And this is the coconut we were using. You don't have to use coconut. So I'm going to clear my cutting board. And you can also, and a cutting board or a plate. First, take your banana and peel it. Oh, this one's ripe. Okay. Peeling. Uh-oh. Okay. So you've got your banana. Now you're going to take the peanut butter or whatever, your liquid but solid, and always have a paper towel nearby, and then just scoop some peanut butter and spread it on the top of the banana. You can do the sides and the bottom, but it was really hard for us, so we learned not only to do the top and maybe the sides. And it may be a little hard to get all of it stick, but we used peanut butter because peanut butter is very sticky, and my mom said it was really good. So we're going to try it. Okay, so once your banana is all spread, you're going to take whatever your sprinkling topping is, and I'm just going to use my fingers and sprinkle it on the top or the sides. Ooh, coconut. And then you can eat them. And then now I'm going to put some marshmallows on it. Uh-oh. Stay. I think I put too much coconut on.
Maybe marshmallows first next time and then coconut.
Take a little spot and put it on. Okay, and then you are going to cut it. Cut. I don't know if these can fit in my mouth. And then you can eat. Bye. Thanks for making banana sushi with me. Or French.